Parakeets in the home is provided with enough space in a suitable corner of your home. Parakeets will settle in very quickly. However, as with any new residents, there are neighbors to consider. Some of your other household pets may take an interest in your birds, and not all of them with innocent intentions. The same may apply to any small children who happen to be interacting with your birds. The number one rule, no matter what animal is lurking outside, is to make sure that your parakeet is secure. The cage needs to be out of reach and safe from distress fingers and paws. Hiding your new birds from your other pet isn't a great idea. Your pets will know that there is a new member of the household and will put it upon themselves to find them at all costs. Parakeets home alone. If you forget to replenish your bird's food or water for a day, don't worry. Your bird won't keel over and die. In fact, you'll be very unlucky to encounter any problems if you forget to provide these things for a couple of days. Leaving them for more than a day, however, is pushing it. The main issues are food and water. A single parakeet or a pair of the birds may run their food sources dry within 48 hours. It all depends on the cage setup, however. A seed hopper replenishes the food as the birds feed, but it can become blocked due to a damp patch. Water can become contaminated with droppings. If you do happen to keep several birds in a cage or in an aviary, you probably can't run the risk of leaving them for this amount of time. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching.